we are still enjoying ourselves on pizzas. So let's enjoy together. Get ready. Simplify 10 square root of 3 all upon square root of 5 minus square root of what? 15. Now, I know that all squared. I know that someone will want to expand this. But if you have the third eye, yes, as a mathematician, you're supposed to have the third eye, the third ear, the third hand, the third everything. Okay, if you have the third eye, you will see that there is no problem in this question. You can easily solve it. You know, I can rationalize the denominator of this fraction, and then this question becomes very easy. So let's look at this together. I have 10 square root of 3 all upon square root of 5 minus square root of 15, everything squared. Now let me rationalize this denominator. I'm going to have 10 square root of 3 over square root of 5 times square root of 5 over square root of 5 minus square root of 15. You still remember the principle of what? Rationalization. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the what? Of the denominator. If the denominator of a fraction is a surd. Now when you multiply the square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 5, this will give us 10 root 15, right? Square root of 5 times square root of 5 we know is 5, minus square root of 15, all what? Squared. Now this can divide, 5 can divide this, I will be left with 2 square root of 15, we still have a bracket, minus square root of 15, all squared. And 2 square root of 15 minus square root of 15 will just give me square root of 15, all squared. And square root of 15 squared is square root of 15 times square root of 15. That will give me just what? 15. So you see, the whole of this mountain is just the value 15. Follow me